Today I'll show you how to create a glowing text effect in Premiere Pro without using any plugins. Go to the Effects panel and search for the Drop Shadow effect. Add it to your text, and in the effect controls follow my settings. First of all, set the shadow color to white, the distance 0, and the softness to 10. Now the trick is to duplicate the drop shadow by selecting it and hitting Ctrl C then Ctrl V or Command for Mac users. Then increase the softness to 50. Duplicate the shadow again, and this time increase the softness to 100. If you want to increase the glowiness on your text, duplicate this again and increase the softness to 200, then 400 and so on. Now if you want to change the color of your text, you can't really do that because we have so many stacked shadows, unless of course you add the tint effect, which basically is gonna help us easily change the color of our text as a whole. You can set your text to a red color for example, but if you want to animate your text and make it look like glowing pharmacy banners, you know, the ones that blind your eyes when you're driving at night. Click the stopwatch of the opacity setting for the starting frame, move 10 frames forward, change the opacity to 50%, then select these keyframes, hold Ctrl C, then move 10 frames forward. Paste them here with Ctrl V, and repeat the same thing over and over again. Actually, let me know if you want the preset of this effect by dropping a like and a comment on this video. And also subscribe.